Let's make this engine cover look a lot cleaner. I'm just spraying a little bit of soapy water on top, not too much, and start brushing. These brushes are very handy when it comes to cleaning your car. They get to the crevices. I just sprayed more soapy water there. With a clean microfiber towel, you dry it and make it look new. We're gonna do the same with this cover right here. If you have to pass the brush again, do it. The cleaner the better. Cleaning these two covers took me less than 3 minutes, and look at the results.